Hi and welcome to Hailsham Motoring Centre. Today we have a 2020 Toyota Prius Plus 1.8 Excel 5-door petrol hybrid. This is a one-owner vehicle from new, has covered 72,600 miles and comes with full main dealer service history. Just to remind you, all our cars come with a brand new MOT, interim service, 24-month warranty and a pre-delivery inspection. Thank you for watching.